Welcome back to the Viking showroom here in New York City. I'm Jackie Rothong, the chef and brand ambassador here at Viking. So today we're taking our sad leftover ingredients from our family meal and our party, and we're creating an entirely new family meal. I know it is always a struggle to use leftover ingredients, but I am going to show you how to think like a chef to use what you've got. So let's take a look into our Viking 5 Series fridge to see what we have left over to create a whole new family meal. So I found lots of escarole left over from our wilted escarole and garlic chips. So I think I'm gonna make an escarole and white bean soup. I have an onion. I'm gonna chop this up. Add a little bit of olive oil to our pan. And add in all of our onions. Right now, we want this to be sizzling, so I'm gonna turn it up a little bit. You wanna build a base, so you wanna season as you go, always. Literally 5 seconds later, it's already sizzling on this induction cooktop. So now we're gonna take some of our carrots, give them a rough chop. We're gonna throw these in. And our garlic. Keep seasoning, keep seasoning. We'll add a little bit of pepper. Now our tomatoes. So we're just gonna give half our tomatoes and put them right into our pan. We want to cook this down just so the onions start getting a little bit translucent. We're going to add in our beans. So we have 2 cans of cannellini beans. We're going to add in all of our vegetable broth. While that's coming to a boil, we are going to get our escarole chopped up. I'm going to add in all of the escarole, and that's going to wilt down and cook low and slow. Remember, season as you go. We're going to cover this with a lid, lower it down to a simmer. I need to show you my garlic toast. I'm going to drench it in a little bit of olive oil. And we're gonna throw this into our 7 Series oven, and it's gonna broil in no time. I'm gonna season it with a little bit of salt. I'm gonna rub it with some garlic. Now we're going to make a pistaud. So the difference between a pistaud and a pesto is that a pistaud does not have pine nuts in it. We're gonna use a little bit of almonds, and I'm gonna mash these up in our mortar and pestle. Add in our basil and a little bit of our Parmesan cheese. We're gonna mash this until it forms a nice paste, and then we're gonna add olive oil. And this pistaud adds a really nice flavor to our soup. Instead of adding a ton of herbs into our soup, we're gonna create this nice little garnish and sauce on top of our bread that goes really, really well together. This looks really good, nice paste. Gonna add a little bit of olive oil. Now a little bit of salt, and I think our pistaud is done. Now I think it's time to taste our soup, check our seasoning, see where we're at. This is perfect. We're gonna put our garlic toast on top. We're gonna spoon some of our pistaud on top of that. And then I'm gonna taste it. Oh my gosh, that is so good. We used all of our leftover ingredients to create an entirely new family meal, white bean and escarole soup. Thanks so much for joining me today here in our Viking kitchen. You can find these recipes and all of our family meal episodes at thevikinglife.com.